Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we will learn Scratch Code Block Backdrop or background in detail. We will also learn how to create a background, how to change the background, how to import a background, and how to create your own background. So in the previous video we learned all the code blocks, loops, but here I will discuss in detail the backdrop. Okay. So backdrop is nothing but your background. If you see the picture, if I remove that, and this is your background, it's a white background. Okay, it is by default. If I want to change it, then I need to go here. I can take, let's say, Arctic. Yeah, changing your background. If I take another one, let's say blue sky is my background. Okay, now if I want to change it, let's say take an event, start on that, and looks. If I go to switch to background, okay, and this is my initial background. So if I click on here, I have other background as well. If I want to change it, just change it. If I want to do something, another one, yeah, it's changing the background. And you can change the effect also. Let's say I want to change the color effect by 20%. So I already discussed, there is a detailed documentation. Okay, depending on the value, background will be changed. Okay, yeah, so background has been changed. If I put another one, let's say 50, then your background also changing. Now we can do clean your graphics effect. Whatever you do here, the background is called the graphics. So it's going to the previous step. Let's go to Arctic. Okay, so if I change it Arctic, so it's going to in this way. If I go to, let's say, this is your initial one, I'm changing the color by 20%, is coming like that, and then I want to revert back. I'm cleaning my graphics effect. Okay, so in the background you have lot of backgrounds here, and if that is for all criteria is matching. If you want, say, some kind of music background, you can take from here. If you have outdoors, you can take from here. Okay, and if you want to import your own background, then you can take it from upload. Okay, apart from that, you can paint your background as well. So that already discussed, you can paint through that and then create your own background. Okay, let's say here, and then you can take it and another background, you can put a name of that background. Okay, and then you can save it. And let's go to my code block. Okay, and here, and if I say backdrop 2, that is my, yeah, this one is backdrop 2. If I change the effect by 50% and then come back to that, yeah, is it changing? Yeah, it's changing now. Now I can clear the graphics. Okay, in that way you can create your own backdrop. That's all about the backdrop. So in the next video we'll create a program combining the blocks of motion and looks. It will be a simple program, and when the course progresses, we'll modify that particular program and we'll make it proper way. Thank you for watching. Stay with me. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.